Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to create AI talking avatar videos that looks like you for your video advert. All the tools we would use in this video are all free, so you won't need to spend any money for this. Please like this video to help the algorithm and subscribe to be part of the amazing family so you don't miss any new video tomorrow. Let's get started.
We'll start by generating our AI avatar. Move over to bing.com/create and it should load up your interface. You should already have a Microsoft account before doing this. If you do not have, you prompt you to create a Microsoft account and then you sign up with your email, your Gmail account. This is where we'll be repeating our prompts. Let me just take you through some creations I have done before. This is the logo I did, and these are some pictures I have generated, and lots more. You can see that this is the prompt I used to generate this AI image. I said it should generated this image. I will just be picking this prompt here again to generate another image for this video. Come here and then erase this. I'll fix my prompt and then just go through it. In a baking shop, she should be baking some cupcakes. Let's see, okay, the business name should be on the apron, not the background. So I'll have to change this to the apron. So once you're done checking everything, the business name should be on the apron. A business name is Sweet But Cake. I would like to put this on an inverted comma. So the AI should pick it like this is what I mean. You can decide to also make it get the capital letters. Then you click on create after writing your prompt. It's going to take a while to generate. You just have to wait for it. If this is your first time, it's going to take a while. You can see here that it generated a cartoon for me as my first picture, but it got this really right. So it even got this giving me like a kind of logo apron. But I do not need this cartoon picture, so I'll tell it to generate image for realistic you can see AI realistic image of this business. And here I have my image. I think I would prefer this one. You know that putting your text in an inverted comma allows the AI to know what exactly you want it to generate. These images are nice. I think this looks too cartoon in this. You just have to click on this download button here and it's downloaded to your system. The second AI tool we'll be using is the face swap. Face swap online tool to swap the face of this AI we just generated to your own face. So you need to first of all log into this website. If you do not have an account, click on login here. You'll be given free 30 credits once you log in. You can log in with your Google or your WeChat. For me, I will just sign in with my Google account. And I'm signed in. I will upload the original image here. Then upload the image I wanted to swap the face to. We'll be using 1 credit now to swap. You can see now that this image now has completely my face. So it took this face here and this. What you have to do now is to click on download. So the next AI tool now is the tool we'll be using to create our talking AI avatar. You move over to this website called dupdub, dupdub.com. and then you start your 3 days free trial. It only gives you a 3 days free trial. After 3 days, you'll be prompted to pay to use this website. A lot of features, but we'll be using this lip sync talking AI avatar. What I like to do is that its watermark doesn't come up so big compared to DI AI tool, which it gives you unlimited free access, but it has much watermark on the video. That is why I don't use that AI tool, so I use dupdub. You click on your AI avatar here, and then you upload your image, the one we already swapped. Done uploading, you're going to come over here to type in the script you want this AI to say. You can either choose to record your script and then upload it from here. Maybe you use another or your voice to record your script, those that have nice voice, and then you click here to upload your script. Your script has to be up to 3 minutes and above. But yeah, I'll just have to use this AI voiceover because I did not record my own scripts. So you type in the text here how you want it to play, and then we'll add it over to this voiceover. Use your own default AI avatar. You check this if you have any correction also, and then you go ahead to generate your talking avatar. This will take a while to generate, so you just have to wait for it to generate and then you download. So I'll click on generate talking avatar now. It's going to load and it's taking my remaining 5 credits. I had 10 credits and it took 5 already before. So this remaining 5 credits is what I'll be using to generate now. Make sure you don't click without dupdub watermark, if not you have to make payment. You can see it is processing and we'll just have to wait for a while. So if you've not followed me up till now, please do not to like this video and please subscribe to be a part of the family. When you subscribe, you can just comment on this video that you're a new subscriber, and I'll reach out to you with my welcome message. Here our AI avatar is ready, and all you have to do now is to download it. So you come over here and click on these 3 buttons where it says download video. You can see decide to download the photo, but we did not do any editing, so I'll just go ahead and download video.